Hey, definition 54. Hey. Hello, it's your print mother here. How are you doing today? I'm going to be teaching you today about linoleum carving blocks. I'm gonna take it back a little bit to the old school. I usually print using my Cricut machine over here, my handy dandy Cricut. But today I want to take it back, teach you a little bit of some like old school printing techniques. So that's what we're gonna do. So today I'm going to teach you about a linoleum carving block. So linoleum is this gray material here that you see on top of the block right here. This is the block. On top sits the linoleum. If I wanted to, I could peel the linoleum off of the block and then just use the linoleum itself, which is a rubber or vinyl surface that you use a carving tool to carve into. Carving, you can usually printmaking and carving in printmaking is more so about transferring an image to another source material. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what this looks like when it's printed and how you can use it to print onto various things. I'm right now going to print on a canvas, a little mini one you get from the dollar store. And so what you'll normally do, the linoleum will come flat and it'll come smooth. This is one that I've already carved into and made a design with, so we'll just be using this. And you can buy like simple little carving tools. There's like carving tool sets. They're really small. They kind of look like surgical tools a little, sort of, kind of. So yeah. So this is, you can essentially use this as a stamp, like what I'm going to be doing right now, because I don't have anything fancy to really do this with. There are other ways you can apply a carved image onto another type of like material, but we're just going to do the stamp method today. So what we're going to do is you're going to get your already carved out fancy dancy stamp. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some paint. All right. Now, there are other ways to do this, but I'm kind of like going with the flow. I'm a little messy with the way I do things. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the paint directly onto it. Give me a nice little paintbrush. Give me some water. Once I get some water, I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to brush the image. All right. I'm just going to brush the image. We're just going to brush the image. Right. Don't worry about all those little things. It's all right. Just brush it, make sure it's nice and cool. All right. And then what you're going to do is, I like to test it first before I put it on my actual thing. So what I'll do is, you're going to lay this down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it. Right. Just kind of rub it in. You're just going to rub the paint. Right. And then what you do is once you do all of this, oh shit. You're going to take it. Right. Boom. There you go. The final product right there. And that's how you use a linoleum tab right there.